Qt charts has been around for years, and together with Qt data visualization, they function as a stable option for visualizing 2D and 3D charts. But in Qt 6.8, something new appeared: Qt Graphs, a unified module meant to replace both 2D and 3D plotting in one place, built on modern architecture and with graphical acceleration. On paper, it sounds great. So why are so many developers still unsure whether to use it? In this video, we'll break this down. What's the difference between Qt charts, Qt data visualization, and the new Qt Graphs module? And if none of these tools fit your needs, we will also show you another approach, so watch until the end. I'm Jakub, and at Somco Software we specialize in quality software development for embedded systems, from medical equipment to industrial UIs. We work with all of these Qt modules, and more importantly, we know when to use them and when not to. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We are one of the top Qt consulting companies worldwide, and we want to share knowledge about Qt you won't find anywhere else. Also, if you want to learn even more about the capabilities of both solutions, check our comprehensive article. Let's dive in. Let's start with what we had before Qt 6.8 and what many projects still rely on today: Qt charts and Qt data visualization. Qt charts is used for 2D data visualization: bar charts, line graphs, pie charts. It's built on the older Qt graphics view framework, backed by QPainter that uses a lot of CPU. Qt charts module API is easy to use, but not exactly cutting edge in terms of performance or rendering. Then there is Qt data visualization, a separate module that handles 3D plots. It's mostly used for surface plot, scatter plots in 3D space, or volumetric data. You can technically combine both modules in one project, but integration isn't always smooth. You need to know in and outs of both modules. But there is a good part: both modules are mature, stable, and received a lot of support over the years. They have some problems though, as for example, Qt charts doesn't work too well with high frequency data, and in such cases, QPainter API doing its work behind the scene consumes a lot of your CPU usage. Anyway, if you are working with Qt 5 or early Qt 6 version, the combo gets the job done in most cases. But there's the catch: both Qt charts and Qt data visualization require a commercial license. They are not available under the open source version of Qt. From our work, we know a lot of people who got the commercial license just to use Qt charts. And from a technical perspective, both modules are built on older foundation. No RHI, no quick 3D. For some, this might be the reason to update to the most recent version of Qt 6. If you want to learn more about it, check this video. So, on embedded devices or anything that demands modern rendering performance, you will likely hit limitation fast. Now, let's talk about the Qt Graphs, a module introduced in Qt 6.8 as a new unified module to replace both Qt charts and Qt data visualization. Previously, it was in tech preview stage. Qt Graphs is also licensed under commercial license. The big idea behind Qt Graphs is to give developers modern API for both 2D and 3D plotting, focusing on performance, cross-platform compatibility, and embedded use cases. On the technical side, it uses the Qt Quick framework for 2D charts with hardware-accelerated rendering via RHI. That's a huge step up from the graphical view framework used in Qt charts. For 3D charts, Qt Graphs relies on Qt Quick 3D, which is a game changer in terms of visual quality, animation, and overall integration into modern UIs. So, if you are starting a new project in Qt 6.8 or later, and especially if you are targeting embedded hardware, Qt Graphs might be the better choice from a performance perspective. But we need to talk about the troubles this module faced at the beginning. When the Qt graphs first launched with Qt 6.8, it was rough. At Somco, we had an opportunity to work with early version of this module and submitted a lot of issues to Qt company. A lot of features were missing, like you couldn't write your own title, enter the legend, which seems to be an integral part of any chart. And stability wasn't there, to say the least. But to be fair, Qt has released multiple updates since then. At least we can say that the developers are working on it and supporting it. Here's what you won't find in Qt graphs yet. Qt widget integration, candlestick charts, box and whisker charts, chart tiles and legends, logarithmic value access, polar chart view. From my experience and project we had at Somco, for many applications that's deal breaker. Especially if you are migrating from Qt charts and need one of those chart types out of the box. There's also the question of stability. Qt Graphs is still maturing, and if your team needs something rock solid right now, Qt Charts and Qt Data Visualization maybe still be the safest bet, especially for apps that are already in production. In my opinion, the biggest advantage of using Qt Graphs is for embedded devices. Because in those applications, you want smoother rendering while having limited resources. Just beware of the trade-offs, like the fact that you need a commercial license. So, what if both Qt Graphs and Qt Charts together with Qt Data Visualization do not cover everything you need? Maybe you don't want to pay for commercial license, or you need something that is not yet supported in Qt Graphs. There is a viable option in the form of custom plotting. This approach gives you the biggest flexibility. You can use tools like QPainter, SceneGraph, or even OpenGL. You can build with raw canvas rendering or bring in JavaScript-based charts where it makes sense. The benefit of this approach is in the fact that you are not locked to any specific module, Qt version, or license. You can build exactly what your application needs. At Somco Software, we often go this route for clients with very specific requirements, like in medical, that is heavily regulated. So, why don't we do this every time? The biggest drawback of custom plotting is in the time it takes to code it manually. You need experienced engineers to make this efficient and maintainable. If you decide to do this, what are the long-term benefits? No reliance on commercial Qt modules, no licensing cost, customized look and own features, and a fully optimized, lightweight solution adjusted to your conditions. So, if none of the official modules fit your case, going custom might be the smart move. So, let's recap. Qt Charts and Qt Data Visualization are stable, time-tested, and still useful, especially if you're working on legacy project or using Qt version older than 6.8. Qt Graphs in the future with modern architecture, better performance, unified 2D and 3D rendering. But, as of now, there is still a long way to go. If you have time, custom plotting can be a better solution in many cases, if you need freedom, no license fees, and no surprises. At Somco Software, we help companies choose the right path, and our team stays involved at every step on the project, from deciding what approach to take to the documenting and prototyping. So, if you are unsure what fits your product best, let's talk. There is a lot more to uncover with this subject, so I highly recommend you check our article. The link will be in the description. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.